So if you clicked on this video, you saw the title and you're like, what is a cheap way I can save my car from being stolen? And I'm gonna show you that right now. So let's head over to Advanced Auto, or maybe they may even have it at AutoZone. So I'm ready to head there now, and I'm ready to show you how to prevent a thief from stealing your car the cheapest way possible, because I know that they have a device right now that you can like hit a button and it'll shut the car off, and it'll keep the signal from being picked up from car thieves with their devices, and they won't be able to steal your car, but it costs like a lot of money, I believe, to get it installed. So here's a cheaper way to prevent that from happening. So yeah, let's go and head out. We're going. Oh, this is my song. Let's go. Yeah.
A few moments later.
So as you can see, we made it, and you're gonna need this for a regular car, and maybe get this to the battery terminal wrench. So yeah, look at that price. I also picked this up for the GS because clean them injectors. That joint hard. He low. Just turned around because I wanna ask the guy at the rims shop, good buddy of ours, if he can how much he would charge to redo the audio in my G35 coupe, because the speakers go into the rear box in the trunk. It's like not connecting right, so I'm ready to get a quick quote on that, and then I'm gonna head to the G35 back home to get the car finished. So yeah, I'm gonna head back to the crib to get the G35 shut off switch hooked up, and then after I get this quote. So 1 second. So I just went in Hot Wheels Plus. They said that they charge about, you know, $40 to look at it. So I went on and scheduled for this Saturday to knock that out for this summer, because I really want to listen to some tunes this summer. So, you know, that would be sick. And yeah, we're gonna do that. So back on our original mission. All right, so we got the hood popped. We got what we need. Make sure you get you some rubber gloves. Make sure you unplug that terminal. So basically the battery terminal goes right here, and then that connector wire is gonna go right here, and then this is the on and off switch that you turn. So let's go ahead and install it. And I made a short about this. I got this carbon fiber engine cover for the VQ35DE for like $100 on eBay. It's real carbon. It's really sick. I made a short video showing you guys, and basically this just looks trash right now, the plenum being all crusty. So one of these days I'm gonna get this chromed out, sent out to I believe Bade or something out in California. So I don't know if I should just take this off and let the car sit, but then I don't want anything crawling to the motor, so maybe I'll just buy a plenum that's on eBay for like $100, and then send it out and then have it put on or something. So I finally got it tightened. This thing is a little old, so it's not really tightening any more than what it is, but I was able to get it snug. And then we're gonna turn the knob off, that way we don't get shocked or anything. Make sure you use this bolt. This is a, I don't know what size this is, but so now that I got it on the battery terminal, all you got to do is tighten it. All right, so pretty snug. Let me turn this all the way now because I had it shut off all the way to the left. So we're gonna turn it to the right and then see if the car power is on. Let's check. Let's go. You heard, very easy to install, and it only took me 5 minutes. I just shut the car off, but of course, if you want the power all the way off, you just turn it all the way to the left, be all set. So let's go. Part was only like $13 or so. I got this with it. This comes with a 5/16, a 1.5, and a 10mm socket. So it's very worth it, depending on, if you got different cars like me.